welcome back to Damaris YouTube channel. So we are at Sanford. This is Sam. Sam,
This
say
is
hi.
Sam. Hi.
Hi. Josh, say hi. Dama, say hi. I nimesha magi Dama. Where?
This sun had only one job.
Only one job.
Shine bright.
Only one job.
Somebody's son.
Come on, and I'm leaving.
Where?
Josh amebanikana na Mount Kenya. Guys, we're here to get some snacks. As you can see, quick match. Flashlight, babes. Come on. Hi beautiful and amazing people, it's your girl once again, Damaris Kimani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. It is actually free of charge. Make sure you like, make sure you hit the notification bell just in case another video is up. So on today's activity, it's a very interesting one. As you can see, the peace and silence in this place is just on another level. So here are my birdies. You know, we go to church together, we do a lot of things together. So today we decided to come to Ololua. Inaitwa Ololua, ni Ololua Forest ama ni Ololua what?
Yeah, Ololua Forest.
Yes, Ololua Forest, just to have some gamings, just to have a nice time together as friends as we close the year. So I am going to take you through in whatever activities that you're going to do today. So enjoy and let's have this good time together. Finally, we are done with the payments. By the way, for adults, ni 200 Kenya shillings. For kids, it's 100 Kenya shillings. And for non-residents tumona ni ngapi yake? It's 500 Kenya shillings. So if you're from any other country and you were looking for a place just to adventure, just to have a nice time for picnic and all that, this is the place to be. So here we are. We have started our journey to find a suitable place so that we can, go on with what we are supposed to do today with my friends. Here, ndio wamebadilika. Anti wa diaspora. Niwe kera kaboy kashoti. Rure hado wathokia ni rere. Dore natuma shisho twariwa.
Kai na ngofia ni undo wa sunlight.
Ni undo wa ka sunrise.
Woko gotie fa.
Sasa uraugatia somewhere.
Tell the man.
Osho uncle wa diaspora ni wathokia ni undo wa rere. Hako ka t-shirt ka white kwa adventure shwari. Na tujori da. You guys, my guys, see, I'm telling you, this place is on another level.
Very beautiful.
Enjoyment. You're talking about soft life. Now this is soft life. This is where you enjoy peace. This is where you meditate.
Nature.
This is, if only you people could know the place there is, the serenity, and all that. Look at this place. See, an experience only at 200 Kenya shillings on Ainywere. 200 Kenya shillings. Look at this place. Awesomeness on another level. Healthy blood pressure. Hizi ni za huyu anti wa daya. Unajua ni Mjaruo, kwa hivyo anakuraga vitu kama hizi ni to do a hair.
There are people who learned not a right.
Alafu anti wa daya leo nakwambia ametuvalia kama ni.
Mode dakika ka short.
Ametuvalia kabai ka short.
Samudogo.
Alafu Sanford did their thing. Sanford is the place to be by the way. Unajua hizi chipo mkikula unakula tena next week. Watu wa kununua chipo 500 huko na ni chips kama 7. Stop that thing, okay?
Don't be silly.
Don't be silly.
Go support Sanford.
And the party has just begun. As you can see, this is how you do it. So you guys, this thing is so much fun. So if you have friends, if you have your baby, your sweetie, your darling, your family, and you're wondering and you're wondering what to do this festive season. Yes, si lazima ukue na pesa ya stress uko.
I can't take you out because I don't have money.
Yes.
200 bwana.
Yani with 200 Kenya shillings and you just buy some snacks and you're going to have
literally with a budget of around 1,000 per person, you're good to go.
Yes, and you'll have the best fun ever in your life. And you know, you call it a festive season. So we are going to take some snacks here, and then after this, we're going to play some games, and then I'll tell you later what we'll be doing. So the last time we met as friends, we had this idea of doing a secret Santa. Even the nature. Santa Claus.
Santa secret.
No,
Secret Santa.
Yeah, secret Santa. So what we did, we had names written on paper. So unaona venye chama inakuanga, and then they were dropped down. Everybody was picking a piece, and then jina yao mtu mwenye imeandikwa hapo, that is the person that you gift them. You know. That is the person that you're going to gift. So we will be doing that, and you're going to see each and every one what they are going to represent today. And so this was the rule. You are supposed to do a gift worth
500 shillings.
500 shillings. Maximum of 500 shillings. So, yes. See you later. See you then. But in the meantime, let's do this together. Let's enjoy together.
Wewe ndio tunatuambia sisi tunasema.
Sasa mwenye anapata ndo
anapata max.
Sasa mimi nikipata the
ni wewe unafaa kutusambia, si tuseme.
Kotari.
HP, MacBook.
Doing the charades. Let's see how better she's gonna do it.
Hizi vitu zimeandikwa kwa Biblia ya
Testament.
Zimeandikwa kwa Biblia and the book of
Matthew
books.
Exodus.
Gospel. Hizo vitu zimeandikwa ni
Commandments.
mpaka 10.
10 commandments.
At least you are doing amazana painkiller. So a different
paracetamol.
Antibiotics bwana. Sisi tunakimbililia paracetamol.
Kisezi sema. So what I'll do, I'll just do it
by actions.
Jump.
Jimmy.
Shangilia.
Kushinda
Sawa, wise man. Haya, hiki tu ukifanywa unasikianga
Mawetete.
Mawetete sio. Hapana, think guys. Massage ni wewe bana.
Massage, therapy.
Pedicure huko kwa mimi.
Pinching.
Choreography.
Ukichuna hivi unasikia? Nikikuchuna
hivi
unasikia?
Pain.
Uchungu wewe unabadilika kama yako na point.
Sinasema uchungu.
Haya, whatever man.
Sijapata. Sinasema uchungu.
Sawa, nyingine nayo ni kwa Kiswahili. Huku ni wapi?
Msitu.
Mali wasio wanabangi nini? Gift sana.
Gift shop. Supermarket.
House.
Yeah, but of course you don't know about House of Leather.
The former
time by the way.
Jago alikuanga MP wapi?
Starehe. Ni Sam.
Maki uko na 1 minute.
One street in Nairobi.
Moi Avenue. Kimani Street. Aga Khan Walk. Hai. Koinange. Biashara. Haiselasi. Ati tunaacha bianga tukienda wapi?
Tukienda mahali kila Sunday.
Si nini?
Aga Khan Walk.
Si nimesema Aga Khan.
Kenyatta. Get actress.
Nick Mutuma.
Na wana bibi mrembo.
Abel Mutua.
No.
Akona bibi mrembo.
Abel Mutua.
No.
Hai.
Bibi yake ni mrembo. Sarasa ni bibi.
Artist ama actor?
Actor.
Alipenda kuna mandevu mbigi.
Anaitwa
Mimi ndio naweza kuwa tu na mrembo.
Ameact movie ya NTV.
Hai ndo tatu.
Uko tayari? Are you ready? Are you ready? Shule ya Kidosi.
Banda, USIU.
No.
Cambridge.
No, ni high school. Primary,
Junior preparatory.
Alliance.
Inaanza na
Starehe.
Bahati.
No.
Bandari.
Banana.
Mko karibu.
Banda school.
No.
Hai. Butere school basi.
Brighton.
Haya, hiyo mesao. Umdem ameimba wimbo na Otile Brown.
Bahati.
Jovial.
No.
Ai. Wewe mbona unafikiria haraka kuliko?
Wewe akeyo.
Kenya.
Yetu tunaipenda daima.
Sasa kuwekele hapo.
Couples.
Kuna moja.
Ami.
Polisi.
Police and
Roba.
na Joshua.
Yes.
Sawa. Hii kitu ni ya watu wawili.
Mapenzi.
Hii kwa
Romance.
Kiswahili ama tunaitaje vile kwa Kiswahili?
Uhusiano.
Upendo.
Cheki. Hii huyu mdem
Delilah.
alikuwa anapenda na msena akikimbia akachakia
Rhino.
Goat.
Antelope.
ai we Josh uliriasi hizi vitu.
Aje, mapenzi.
Kipindi ya kitambo yenye tulikuwa tunaona.
Vionja. Ati tuko tunaona kitambo. The big. Tausi.
Jina ya kinywaji iko na fizzing mob.
Smirnoff. Guarana.
Blackcurrant.
Coca-Cola.
Chai, Fanta. Sprite wapo. Skydiving.
Decathlon. Decathlon.
Ai Josh wewe uliriasi hizi vitu. Unajua hizi makadi.
Tulia. Aya, a very famous celebrated Jamaican reggae artist.
Brington.
Nani Bob Marley?
Pesa.
Pesa inaisha.
Mula.
Ganji.
Mado.
Inaanza tu na M.
Mpesa.
Okay.
Mcash.
Ai.
Kitu unajua ameishi.
Sanford.
Chips and fish.
Ona.
No, Sanford.
Restaurant.
No, ulikuwa umesema Sanford.
Hiyo jina hiyo kitu hawa sio ushinda kwa
Nairobi Gossip.
Reels. Nairobi Gossip Club.
wasee wanaitwaje?
Content creators,
bloggers.
influencers.
Bloggers wanaitwa?
Influencers.
Wanaitwa?
Content
Tuko.
creators.
Tuko.
Nairobi Gossip.
Genocide.
Rwanda killers.
Nani na nani?
Rwandanese killers.
Kongo.
Ilikuwa tribe mbili peke yake. Hakuna
Your influencer is angry because hajakuwa akipata majibu.
Cheni niwaambie sasa mtu akipenda hint zingine zenye ni very shallow surely.
Sure.
Hata you guys know how sometimes I think
Sorry.
I love
Sorry.
questions that challenge.
Sorry.
You know, questions like who was the first queen of UK London?
Hebu onyesha Max.
Queen Elizabeth.
So far, guys, the game.
Okay,
Si tu ni vlogger huyu.
Okay, you've
No,
won.
I'm not showing people things.
Yeah, guys.
So as I was saying, you're an influencer. You look at your YouTube channel person. This is your vlogger, guys. But anyway, look at the winning team. That's me.
Let me tell you guys,
And the
you
sound.
know, these things, as I've told you earlier, I just wanted them to win because I didn't want to challenge them because they would have had
utaki
depression,
show off.
they would have had stress, na wangenitoa kwa hii group.
Sorry.
Sasa just because to maintain that friendship, to maintain that love, when they were answering, I was just keeping quiet, and that's why you can see those ni sticks ama zinaitwa nini. Hata nyinyi mnajua Kenya is full of corruption bana. These people are corrupt bana. I'm mad bana. Lakini ni sawa, muendelee kuwatch na msubscribe. Msubscribe very fast.
Wanajua vibe.
For example, let's ask Nduta.
Nduta, who was the mother of Lazarus?
Hapana. Ngoja, Lazarus alikuwa na mama.
Tell us.
Hey guys, so that was the game. I hope you guys are enjoying so far so good. We are finally on this activity that we're supposed to do today, which is the Secret Santa. So we are going to start with Akeo and then we see. Akeo, so Akeo, your Secret Santa was?
Hi guys, my secret Santa was Nduta, and Nduta likes taking tea a lot, so I thought of that, and also chocolate. So Nduta, I bought you the sweet chamomile tea
Oh, thank you.
and a chocolate that says I love you because I love you so much.
I love you too.
Who's next?
Nduta.
Nduta.
Santa was the one and only Mnoma Photography. Your current photography. Uandike hapo all your visions, your dreams, your schedule. It has your
Ona level.
na hiyo earphones. Na earphones.
Hiyo gift ilikuwa ya 500.
600.
Both gifts. Total.
Bongo 600.
Mtakuwa mnani.
Sana mimi ndio secret Santa wake.
Hi guys. Blackcurrant photography as you have seen. So, nasema my secret Santa, was a secret Santa. Oh, I was a secret Santa. Ivo? I was a secret Santa to Akeyo.
Nilijua. I knew it. Nilijua. I had a gut feeling.
But
I had a gut feeling. See,
gift
vibaya sana.
Gift yake yao iko town, ilikuwa inatoka Nax, so mwenye alileta Nax alileta Ngware.
Exactly.
Ni sweater, inakaa sweater.
Taonyesha
picha.
Tutumie proof.
Taonyesha picha.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Kikuyu massive. Akalia baridi so tukaona.
Mlete sweater.
Ninakuja na monoline. Watu wa monoline tafadhali next time. Mmeniangusha nyinyi. Mmenifail. Tenge kwa navasota yangu matata.
Aski baridi.
Nache kusikia baridi. Si poa. We go to the vlog of the day. Guys, yeah, it's me once again, Damaris Kimani.
Ni mimi anapatia
Yani kwa hivyo
obviously.
napatia Josh yani. And my secret Santa was Josh extra. So this is what I have for Josh. So this was a gift well thought. And as I was buying this gift for Josh, we have been visiting his place for some few. We have been visiting his place for lunch, and normally when we are there and atuserve na soda huwa anatuwekea kwa tumblers, and ever since I did some research kwa kitchen yake, I never saw glasses.
So in short, he's single.
So, my gift to you. Spark glass.
Aww.
This one is to challenge you ukiwa na wageni, at least be having this courtesy of serving them with glasses but not tumblers.
Hey.
Gift ya 500.
Merry Christmas.
Aww.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sasa. Alright, so this is what happened, I want to, I got Dama as my secret Santa, right? So, also, what I knew is, we're supposed to give out the gifts on Saturday.
Today.
It totally skipped my mind, but because you are here and I have to give a gift,
Yeah.
So for me, I'll give her money so that she can go and decide for herself
What she
Mlete hiyo
wants.
saa tu.
Hello.
Mlete hiyo Monday.
or she can allow me
Kesho.
to go
Sunday.
and bring her gift. No, mimi ndo naamua Kenya nataka kwa sababu kuna ile kitu nilikuwa naenda kubai. So I'll bring her and she will.
Sunday.
Yeah, on Sunday we shall record it on Sunday. And yes, I'm so sorry guys. But
Yangu
I'm so
tukifika
sorry,
tao.
alright? But inakuja na utapenda. Ni kitu nimetaka sana for.
Do you know you can't be prosecuted for this?
No, I'll bring it, yeah? I'll bring it on Sunday. I'm sorry, Damaris.
If you have seen, like literally the gentlemen in this group did not gift the female.
We are recruiting
Literally,
gentlemen.
we need new guys who are gonna join this group because we cannot be the ones gifting them and then they're forgetting that they're supposed to gift us, right, girls?
Yes.
So do we need new members here?
Yes,
And-
we do. Please, if you know you are there and you have a heart of gifting,
And
please
you love-
inbox us on our Instagram
And you
account.
love,
Join us, please.
yes,
DM us,
and you love going out because us are very spontaneous people.
Yes.
We are very impromptu people.
Yes.
So if you're that type, DM us and also talk to your blogger.
Yeah, so you guys, my guys, those are some of the activities that we are doing today, but we are now heading to the waterfalls, that being our last part, alafu tuende nyumbani. So let's go together. Oh my goodness! That has